Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I greet every one of you. My brothers and my sisters, as you all know, this is Orhionmwon LGA Keinebi. I'm here to present to you some of the findings that we actually had on our visit to IGBOAKIRI, presently known as IGBOAKIRI. As you all know, I'm from Akumazu-Mocha, and Akumazu-Mocha is located in a Kano East local government area of Delta State, as it is created politically. Permit me to bring to your notice, in case you don't know, that we have Igbos scattered all around different states in Nigeria, like Delta State, like Edo State, like Igala, and there is a Kogi State, like Benin State, like Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Ebonyi, and Abia. At the same time, like River State and Cross River, we have Igbos scattered all across this state. But do you know one of the reasons why we are working to make sure we unite all Igbos? That only 5 states are being seen as Igbo occupied state, which is Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Ebonyi, and Abia. But permit me to let you know that we have Igbo speaking dialect in every other state apart from these 5 states that I've just mentioned. When you come to Delta State, Igbos have a larger number of ethnic group and dialect, those who speaks Igbo in Delta State. When you go to Benue, you see Igbo there. When you go to Kwara, which is Kogi State, you see Igbo. When you come to River State, Igbos are there. But did you know for a very long time we have been having an issue on whether those who speaks Igbo in Delta, in Edo State, whether they are related to those who are in these 5 eastern states, as it is recognized by political setting that they are being called Southeast. Permit me to tell you that most of these things you see are a ploy to actually reduce the population of the Igbos to a minimal number to enable the system work against them. The reason why we are calling for the unity of Ndi Igbo is to have a huge benefit politically. At the same time, most of our brothers and our sisters that are being seen as minority, that are being marginalized based on the state which they found themselves, like our people of Igbanke. I was there. There is no road, there is no government presence there because they are minority. Their number is less to compare to what other ethnic group in Edo State. We have our people who are also suffering same fate in Benue, in Kogi, and River State. But today, I want to bring to you, I will not be speaking more than this, but I want you to listen to an elderly person, a chief priest, a chief in the person of Chief Oriekaose Igwara, Chief Igwara. This is a 70-year-old man from Igbanke, Ake precisely, and this man is a traditionalist. He knows the history about his people. And I want you to look and listen to this video and conclude by yourself. Those who are claiming that the Igbanke are those who are claiming that the Igbanke has no relationship with the Igbos, I want you to listen to this video and conclude by yourself. Enjoy until I come your way again. Remain blessed and be focused. Edo Nwaika, mama manani Igbanke. Weka Igbanke weka Ibia ika onwani ogbe idumu efa ani idumu ndị nchari aneka iya fe river Niger ya akwụkwọ efa ndị ahụ mgbidi iri Igbanke amane m but mgbidi iri ana Imo State, mgbidi iri Imo State, many villages efa village na Imo Somanene across Anambra ya homa efa ndị ahụ so ibe nwa Akumazi bụ ere amụm enwoduga iru okuzo Anambra we nwoduga bịa enyiwa ụmụ ọcha iru Anambra we ụmụ ala ọcha iwu mu ya sika egwa mgbasa n'ihe ni nkuke kan
ama nye ne tira adwuma wa go hu bo ewu ama kamyanku
anomi
ida chene go hu bo ewu debu kitepa kite anyi go ogumo in Johnny a cochanim is that a question they do plaque it up. I want to only kitchen is secret of a car. It's a car. Igbanke is one of the car. Because of a leaky economy, the secret. Where Obi of Agbo today. Then last the battle was at that point. Where Obi of Agbo today. I want a year in Mercorahi. Market the wickedness, the father, about 11 fathers happened. We are not from Benin. I'll let you know today. Igbanke is not from Benin. That is why people are begging me to. I say no, I've never changed. Igbanke is not for. If I say, I tell you as the things start. Yeah, just by who better who only each on I'm from Nigeria Sporting Observer. Not that I'm from up, John that from down. I want to.
You Echi wo kunwos. Apo a combine me here. Ajuma ma ejo. How is it possible?
What them can wear like tomorrow I'm from 1 or 2. Let's follow me to there. But from AM to afternoon 12, you are free to come. We talk. We discuss.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.